Hello to everyone and welcome to the Rando Teach. Today we are making some super soft and chocolatey cupcakes together. They're simple, fun, and absolutely delicious. So let's get started. So for our cupcakes, you'll need these ingredients. So maybe you want to take a screenshot or maybe write them down. Whatever you like. At first, let's beat up the eggs, oil, vanilla, and sugar until everything's nice and smooth. Next, add the instant coffee, and if you don't want clumps, just dissolve it in a couple spoons of hot water first. Now, in another bowl, mix the flour, baking soda, baking powder, and cocoa powder, and also sift it a few times to make the cupcakes extra fluffy. Pour the milk and water into your egg mixture and give it a good stir. Then, slowly add the flour mixture into the egg mixture, a little at a time, mixing gently until you've got a smooth batter. Pour the batter into your cupcakes molds. Here we add the vanilla cream filling to our cupcakes, but that part is totally optional. And also, if you want to learn how to make this cream filling, make sure to subscribe to our channel because we will be sharing a quick tutorial in an upcoming YouTube short. Now, bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. The bake time will be about 45 to 55 minutes. To check if they're ready, just poke one with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you are good to go. And that's it! Super soft chocolatey cupcakes that are perfect with a cup of coffee or cup of tea. If you ever tried this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sweet recipes. See you in the next video.